For filter function. Filter function is actually a JavaScript array method, just like the map function, the reduce function, for each function, or none of those. So, but there is a difference between all of them. So, filter function is a JavaScript array method that is used to create a new array containing only the elements that satisfy a specified condition. It checks each item in the array and keeps only those for which the callback function returns. All right. So let's take for instance we have array of numbers. We have one, two, three, four, five, and six. Let's say we want to just get in the words even numbers. So when you want to get something, you need to think as a developer. What are even numbers? Even numbers are numbers that are what? Divisible by what? 2. Say even numbers equals to what? We access and filter them. It's actually a function, arrow function. Each of the num give it the parameter. We're going to do what? Return number. Numbers when divided by 2 has a remainder of what? 0. So that is it. Console log even numbers. Checking our console, listen. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8 as the result. Is filtering from all the numbers we had in our array. We filtered 2, 4, 6, 8, which are the what? The even numbers. So just like the map function, filter function in JavaScript is very, very essential. It is very, very relevant, and you need to know these things. All right. So perhaps we want to take numbers that are odd numbers. All right. You can change this to odd, and then this to odd. We just have to do what? Add not, because not are those ones that are what? Not divisible by what? 2, having a remainder of what? 0. All right. So exclamation is not in JavaScript. All right. So that is how to use it. So let's check our console and check what we have. Everything we have 1, 3, 5, 7, which are the what? The odd numbers. So this is very crucial and it's very, very relevant in JavaScript. It's something everyone should know as a beginner. Thank you.